Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. My name is Teresa and I am here to share how to make Thanksgiving golden and copper candy apples. What you see on the screen is a big pot of boiling water with a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and you're just going to be putting those apples in there for 10 seconds, and then we're going to put them in a ice cold water bath to shock them so that they don't cook. We're going to want to give our apples a little exfoliation. And I learned this trick from Cristina in the kitchen. I'll be linking her video below, but it was so impressive. So you take your baking soda, take a half of a lemon, and you're just going to pat it down and scrub that apple. We're getting all of that wax off so that the sap has the ability to seep out of the apple for the next 48 hours. Now you're going to want to put it back into the boiling water for only 10 seconds, and you're just rinsing off all that baking soda and lemon. You're going to remove it and you're going to shock it again in the ice water. After that, wipe them down, put them on a sheet tray, put some plastic wrap over top of it, and just keep it in a safe, room temperature place for 48 hours. So what you're seeing on your screen there, those are little sap pieces. It is such a cool experiment. Great idea for kids to watch the sap seep out of the apples. Once 48 hours is done, you're going to want to wipe down that sap, and then we're going to play and put a candy apple stick right in the middle. Now here's the fun part. We're going to be making our candy. You're going to take a heavy bottomed medium saucepan, and you're going to want to add half a cup of water, preferably filtered because we will be eating it. And then you're going to want to add white granulated sugar. Right inside there, 1 3/4 cup. This is over medium heat. Last but not least, you're going to want to add half a cup of corn syrup. You can see that I have a candy thermometer. I'm going to link it below in case you don't have one. Let's get one in your hands. You're going to want to watch that thermometer and wait for it to hit 300 degrees. This will create that nice hard shell that is so iconic with a candy apple. Once it hits that magic number of 300, you're going to turn it off the heat, and you're going to add 1 full tablespoon of gold edible glitter. Oh yes, it is gorgeous. And if you don't know where to find them, again, we'll be helping you out and the link is below. Make sure all the bubbles are gone before you're going to dip your candy apple. You're going to tilt it, and you're just going to do nice 2 big swirls, and just look at that beautiful gold. It's going to wow your Thanksgiving guests. You want to let it drip out. And here's a fun extra piece. You can also add an additional teaspoon of copper edible color if you want to have 2 tones of the candy apples on your Thanksgiving dessert table. You can see there, it is gorgeous. And that's our finished product. We truly hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thank you for joining us this week. We have videos every Wednesday and Friday. So next Wednesday, be sure to watch, like, and subscribe, because we are going to be doing a very special collaboration with a stained glass cake. Now, what you're seeing on your screen there is just one of 6 cakes that we're going to be looking at. So can't wait to see you next time. Ring that notification bell. Thank you so much for visiting with us, and happy Thanksgiving.